Hello, hello, can you hear me? Hello, hello.
Hello?
Yes, now I can hear you. Share your screen and start study area shape file, import, export in Google Earth. Start from
Okay.
beginning.
I am sharing, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. I see your screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You open new code editor. You open new code editor and then you try.
This
Yes, select your shape file, DBF, SHX, SHP, DBF, and PRG format.
this sir?
Select SHX, yes, yes, this for and then okay, we click to upload.
This split large geometry.
No, 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 no.
Upload. And after then your mistake, sir.
Okay, okay. Uh, Wait um some time for uploading. I will update.
Hello, sir?
Yes.
Yes, mistake here. Yes.
Okay. Open this red one.
Read
Open.
one.
Yeah. Open red one. File is empty. Error because your shape file are not created perfectly.
Not created perfectly.
Yeah.
Why, sir?
You
I have another shape file also.
can yes, you said another shape. Remove it. Then again, select.
Oh, okay, sir. It
Okay.
works, I think.
Finally, it is okay because your previous shape file is not created perfectly. Understand?
Okay, sir.
Okay. You open your asset now. Uh,
Asset, yes, sir.
uh, uh, Refresh it.
Refresh this.
Yeah. Mm, okay. This boundary. Okay. Click here, boundary. Hmm. Okay, now
This.
perfectly import uh, export shapefile in Google Apps Asset tab. Now click to the features and properties. Okay, okay, okay. This is the process. This is the right process for export export shapefile in asset tab. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Okay,
Oh,
sir. Take rest, sir.
okay. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Okay, good night, sir.
Okay. Good night.